Welcome to Unleash the Power of Paid Ads in 3 Simple Steps. My name is Meg. I'm a training specialist here on the Keller Williams University Tech Training Team. Today, I'm going to show you where to go to add your payment information into Command in order to leverage paid ads while also being able to showcase the billing history. So let's go ahead, hop over to Command and get started. After you've logged into your Command account, you will leverage the Campaigns applet to get into the Paid Ads dashboard. We can see here at the top, I'm under the Paid Ads tab. And to quickly get into where we need to connect our payment method and review our billing details, we will select Quick Start at the top left. After selecting Quick Start, you'll see our Quick Start dashboard here with all of our ad types, but we are actually going to navigate to the very top right and select that silhouette of a person icon, and from there we'll select My Account. You'll see under the billing details that you can add a new card or your first method of payment right here. Simply type into where it says card number, select that field, and start typing in your method of payment. It will want the expiration, the last three, and the billing zip code associated with your payment method. Once that card has been added, you will see it over on the left-hand side under Manage Credit Cards. Underneath Manage Credit Cards, you'll see Billing History. Anytime you purchase a paid ad in Command, you will see that listed here in your billing history, starting with the date column, the name of the ad, and if you slide all the way over, it will tell you the amount as well as the order ID. Order ID will become important if you have any questions regarding your ad and you contact the KW support team. But that's it. Simply adding in your payment method here means it is stored on file, and anytime you go to run a paid ad, it will leverage that card. You can have multiple credit cards on file. That way you can pick from those cards when you're building out an ad. Teams, quick call out here. Please note anybody on a team with enhanced or unlimited permission levels will be able to add credit cards, delete credit cards, and use the credit cards on file. Thank you for watching this video today. If you have any questions, you can contact our team. Learn Command at KW.com is our email. And if you'd like to attend live training with our team, go ahead, scan that QR code, and get registered today.